Hey, David Bradley here, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Set your timer because we're going to do this in under 2 minutes. Are you ready? Let's go. Today's tip comes directly from your Uncle G's Twitter page. Are you ready? Here we go. Keep the main thing. The main thing. 1. 3 things to keep the main thing the main thing. 1. Disregard the bad news. Oh yeah. 2. Disregard the past, for sure. 3, focus on producing for tomorrow. Okay? So the 3 things to keep the main thing. Well, first of all, what is your main thing? Secondly, once you know what that is, then it is time to disregard the bad news. Then, disregard the past. The past is data, it's information, that's all it is, it's all it has to be. And then 3, focus on producing for tomorrow. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, which will help you disregard the bad news, disregard the past, and focus on producing for tomorrow, head on over to cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching. cardonesolutions.com/coaching, and be great. That's right, because nothing else pays. See you soon.